Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll not give a long introduction to what I'm going to do. I'm just going to show you the steps how I do a makeup. We do makeup for different occasions on a different way. जैसे कि कभी अगर कोई रात के पार्टी को जा रहे, if we are having a late night parties like a marriage party to attend or something like that. So we may be going for a more coverage and a bit of a heavier foundations, more often highlighters, and so you can see that the makeup grows more of a heavier sides, right? But when we are going on a day-to-day, daily basis, we don't put on makeup and go out all the time, right? And there is a different occasion again, like if you are going for a smaller occasions, कहीं घूमने जा रहे हैं, कहीं party पे जा रहे हैं. So today I'm going to give you a tutorial about like how I do my makeup when I am attending a office party or a birthday party or a smaller parties like on that occasions. So how I do and what are the steps I do before doing a makeup. So I'll just give you that small things what I do. So let me give you one disclaimer that I'm not a professional makeup artist, right? मैंने भी कहीं से I have seen the YouTubes and all these things and then only I have learned, right? कोई अगर मेरे इसमें flaws निकालने आइएगा तो I can't help, right? I am new to this, but the things that have helped it, the things are that I had a very acne marks, ठीक है? अभी ये बहुत अच्छे हालत में हो गया है, ठीक है? I have facial hairs. So I'll just tell you the steps what you should do in order to have a better, flawless and a good looking skin so that you don't look that you're overdone, right? A basic, very normal, a nudish makeup type, highlighting your strong points, right? So I have just dyed my hair. So that when I'm doing my makeup or doing my things, I don't end up having all the product over the hair, right? So सबसे पहला step what we are going to do is like I have facial hair. The problem with the girls who have facial hair is that whenever they do makeup, I think most of you will understanding that like whenever we do some makeup, so the product gets stuck all over the face, over the hair, right? It is not a flawless base. मतलब लोगों को समझ में आता है कि we have done some makeup. So what's the first step we are going to do is that we'll take an aloe vera gel. I am using Wow का aloe vera gel, ठीक है? We'll take an aloe vera gel. What we'll be doing is that we'll put it all over my face. See, aloe vera gel is a very good stuff. For the people who have acne and who have dry skin or sensitive skin, so it's better for everybody. I will take a razor. This is a facial razor. You'll get it in Amazon, you'll get it in Flipkart, you'll get it any of the websites, Nykaa, kahin se bhi you can go. There is this one, I don't remember the brand. Wait a second, I'll just show you the. Okay, so this is the brand. Actually, it's something of this Kai razor, Kai, okay, it is Kai razor, it is written here overhead, Kai. So there is Evian or Evor, kuch aisa hai. Second one is that Bombay shaving companies have. So what we will be doing is that we'll hold it very lightly. We'll just shave. You can just see अपना extra hair को हटा देंगे. Oh my god, you can just see how much so once you shave you will look more of a cleaner person. So I'll not show the full details of the steps, so if you want you can have the full details. I will show you. I will make a tutorial on how to do shaving. So I'll just complete my shaving and come back. So yes, I am back. I have done my shaving. I have just washed my face with just normal water right now because जितने भी मैंने शेव करके जो हेयर निकला था सो वो थोड़ा सा जेल में मिक्स होके थोड़ा सा गंदा हो जाता है. तो इफ यू वॉश द फेस you have a clear idea about what your face. So you can see my face looks more cleaner, right? So you can do it more properly, more often. It's a very easy technique to actually do a shaving, right? So next what we are going to do is that we are going to take this face wash. This is Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, right? You can just see the name here. Okay, this is a very nice face wash. I just forgot what I was talking. Okay, this happens with me. So you just have to take a very little quantity of this face wash, put it like this over your wet face, जैसे हम लोग करते हैं. Just with a lighter hand, you have to wash your face. This is a very nice face wash. It actually helps in brightening your skin. I must not say that it is brightening your skin technically, but it is like it is taking out all the dirt what your face has. Okay, so we'll just massage it for 1 minute maximum, not more than that. 60 seconds, 45 seconds, ऐसा हम लोग will massage it. We'll then splash water and clean it up. Okay, so I'll just massage for a few minutes, few seconds, and I'll just wash my face and come back. Okay, so now I have washed my face with a face wash. Now what am I going to do is that I will be using a rose water as my tone, but this is a toner rose water only. So this is a rose water from T&W. This is the natural wash rose water. They say that it is a steam distilled water. So I keep this rose water in my refrigerator. ठीक है, कभी भी टोनर हो आप यूज करो, कोई भी टोनर हो, रोज वाटर हो, क्यूकम्बर हो, और एनी टोनर यू आर यूजिंग, try to keep it in the refrigerator during the summer season. Okay, not for the winter seasons. So I may be looking very odd because I have splashed water over my top. So what am I going to do is that I will just tone. There is two ways to use the toner. Either you can splash over your face or you can take it in a cotton and just dab dab dab. ठीक है, कॉटन में डैप करने से प्रोडक्ट वेस्टेज कम होता है एंड ये पूरा ओवरऑल फेस में क्या होता है, सेकेंड टाइम यू आर क्लीनिंग अप द फेस. बट टुडे आई विल बी जस्ट स्प्लैशिंग ओवर माय फेस. Okay, so once I have splashed it, I will be just dabbing over it. See, before makeup, doing your skincare is very important, right? You have to have a skincare proper. So when it is like wet, we'll be using our serum. I'm using Minimalist's 10% niacinamide and zinc wala serum. This is a very nice serum. I must say. I had full of acne marks, but my marks have reduced to a very considerable limit. I must not say that कोई भी प्रोडक्ट अचानक से खत्म नहीं आपके प्रॉब्लम्स को खत्म नहीं करता है, राइट, बट इट हैज रिड्यूस्ड थिंग्स. ठीक है, सो व्हेन द टोनर इज देयर लाइक इट इज वेट, we will be using on that wet face only. Will not use you can use on dry face, but it is always advisable to use your serums. It is always advisable to use your serums on a wet face. So will not take much, but थोड़ा थोड़ा लेके will be just will pat a little. Why are we patting? We are patting because to क्या बोलते enhance the blood circulation. So if you pat, your blood circulation escalates, and so you have a more glowing skin, right? So now once the serum has dried up on our face, so what we are going to do is we'll be using a sunscreen. Here I'm using the La Shield's SPF 40. So I have La Shield's 2 face sunscreen, right? So one is the Physico or something like that, that is the SPF 51, and this is the SPF 41. So I'll be using the SPF 40 because it is bit of a matte texture. So I will show you the texture on my hand first, and then I'll be put it on my face. So you can see it is like a matte. So it does not leaves a white cast. It may be looking to you that it's leaving a white cast, but I'll put it on my skin. You'll see that it's not leaving a white cast. So you should be using your sunscreen in a good amount. Okay. So what are we going to do is, you have to massage the sunscreen very nicely. I don't know, my AirPods are falling down from my ears. So we'll be massaging it so that it is entering your skin properly. Achha. We'll be putting it to the exposed portions wherever we find so. So we'll give some time for the skincare to set it in our skin. Okay. Then we are going to start with our makeup. We'll give at least 10 minutes time for the skincare thing to absorb in your skin. क्या है कि अगर हम लोग स्किन केयर के साथ अगेन वी स्टार्ट अ मेकअप, सो वी आर नॉट गिविंग द स्किन टू absorb the nutritions that we are passing through the skincare. So we'll give time for the skin to digest its food, right? उनके खाने को थोड़ा सा खाने के लिए डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए विल गिव सम टाइम. सो वंस द स्किन हैज अब्सॉर्ब्ड द थिंग्स, विल स्टार्ट विद अ मेकअप. So you can see my skin now looks so beautiful. It is already giving me a good glow. So first we start with the primer. For primer I am using the Sugar Cosmetics ka Base of Glow, that is pore minimizing primer. Why am I using a pore minimizing primer? Because I have lots of pores, open pores. Open pores होने से problem क्या होता है? I'm telling you, whenever you are putting a foundation, अब देखना वो जो थोड़ा उस गैप में ना, it sits down and it shows that you have a makeup on your face. See, for me, whenever I am doing a makeup, for me the thing is the other person should not understand that I have something heavier on my face, कि मैंने बहुत भर के मेकअप किया है to make my skin flawless. It should appear naturally that I am flawless. First we should try that only, so that for that reason we have to have we need to take lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, good stuffs, avoid junks, but I hardly do that, to be very honest. So I'll just take a little amount of the primer. I will first focus over my problem areas, but I will extend it over my full face. ठीक है. Why do I use primer? Primer एक तो मेरे जो imperfections है, जो spot क्या बोलते हैं, the things I have, as I said कि the pores I have, sorry, वो fill करेगा. Second is that primer acts as a barrier between your skin and the makeup you are putting on it, right? So it is always advisable that whenever you should doing a makeup, you should use a primer. Okay? So I have used the primer. Now let's get into the second step. Second step is what I am going to do is that I will be just concealing my eyes. I don't have much of a dark circles, okay? But I will be concealing my imperfections a bit. I am not using an orange corrector today because I'm not doing a very heavy makeup. If I'm going to a marriage party, I may be using an orange corrector where I have discolorations. But today I'm not going for any marriage party. Just normal एक makeup कर रहे हैं. So I'll just hide my imperfections. Okay, sorry. So this is the concealer. I'm very sorry. So this is, I did not show you the concealer. This is the Sugar Cosmetics concealer, that is Magic Wand waterproof concealer. This is in the shade 40 Brief, and this is a very nice shade that is getting matched with my imperfections and all this. So I generally like to use this. I'll just use on the imperfections where I have. See, whenever I'm going for a general, like I have to go out somewhere to near about places, I generally, what I tend to do is, I use this concealer and use my setting powder and go out, right? So I'm using a brush just to set the concealer. I can do it with my hand also, okay? But I'll just use a brush so that it is setting very beautifully. Just can see that it is so perfectly getting blended. I don't know why the light is doing that stuff. So you can see that it has concealed my face, the imperfections, right, in my face. So now you may be seeing that कि आँख कैसा अजीब से लग रहा है. So yes, that I will put up kajal, so it will look normal only. This is अजीब से नहीं लगेंगे. So obviously when we are doing makeup, so we have to have be cautious that whatever we are using. But at least क्या है कि ये पूरा imperfections को hide down कर दिया है. What is the next step that we are going to use is, see, generally what I do whenever you are going out somewhere, just use the loose powder. I generally use this loose powder. It's a very nice loose powder from Maybelline. I generally whenever I'm going somewhere out, just friends के साथ निकल रहे हैं या family के साथ निकल रहे हैं, so I generally just use this concealer. I use the powder, I use a kajal and a lipstick, and I'm good to go, right? But whenever I'm going for a party, I have to use a little bit of foundation. So what I use is, I use the Smashbox Studio Fix foundation in the shade 2.22. Okay, I must tell you, this is in a neutral undertone 2.22, so it's a bit of a wrong shade that I got ordered, but it's a Smashbox, so you can understand that it's a very expensive foundation and I have to use it. So I just don't need to mix it with anything. I just take, so whenever you're using a foundation, first things you must remember is that you should shake it very nicely, because क्या होता है, प्रोडक्ट नीचे एक्चुअली जमा हो जाता है ना, ऊपर से सिर्फ पानी आता रहता है. सो यू शुड शेक द फाउंडेशन प्रॉपरली. देन आई जस्ट टेक अ लिटिल बिट, यू कैन जस्ट सी, सो जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट आई विल बी टेकिंग. ठीक है, व्हाट आई विल डू इज, आई विल यू जस्ट थोड़ा सा इसको आई विल वार्म अप एंड आई एम गोइंग टू put on the areas mostly where I need a coverage, right? So whenever you are using a foundation, you must remember one thing, so that you should use till your neck. Today my neck is covered, so I'm unable to use that till my neck, so that's a problem. So you can either blend with a beauty blender, but today I am thinking of using a brush, right? So I will use a foundation brush. I have beauty blenders, many beauty blenders I have, but I will be using a foundation brush today. Okay, so I got the foundation brush. Oh no, just a second. will blend the foundation very nicely so that there is no lumps or anything that is showing imperfection on the skin, right? So just extend. जब हम फेस फाउंडेशन लगाए, so we should be extending all these portions till the portions that is exposed, so that it is like it does not looks odd to you. Okay, so we are done with our foundation. We'll be using a loose powder. The loose powder which I use is the Maybelline's Fit Me loose powder. It's a very nice in the shade light medium 20. It's a very nice loose powder. So with the foundation brush only, I will just take a little bit and I will dab it like this. I will first try to set my T-zone where I sweat a lot, right? Okay, the eyes, wherever we have actually put the concealer, I will try to put that, because so that no creases forms there. ठीक है, क्रीसेस नहीं आए. क्रीसेस मतलब यहाँ पे अगर वो थोड़ा सा क्रीसेस आ जाता है तो फिर वो फाउंडेशन फ्लॉलेस नहीं दिखता है, राइट? सो आई फाइंड दैट इट इज परफेक्ट. Now next what we are going to do is that we'll do a eye makeup. So if you're going for a party, like an office party or something, or a birthday party, or your family function, small family functions, so what you can do is that you can keep it a very light. You cannot, you don't need to always highlight your eyes to a very darker or very क्या बोलते हैं loud makeup. You don't need to do that. At times, if you're keeping it simple, it looks good. So for this, whenever I need to do a basic makeup, I use this Nika K, sorry, it's NK, I guess, Nika K, yeah, Nika K Autumn Spice. I must say, this is a palette which everybody should have one. It's a very nice nude colors it has. I'll just show you the colors. So this is a matte shade, this is a matte shade, this is a matte shade, matte shade, matte shade, and 4 of a glitter shades you have. So you can do anything according to that if you want. So what am I doing is, I'll first take this shade, this peachy shade, and I will put it. I'll do a very simple makeup, the eye makeup that could be done by everybody. Okay, I'll just take it, I'll just dab it here. Always catch your brush this way. I will start with the ends and I will put forward. Okay, so nice. So same way I'll take this side also. Now I'll take this yellow shade, right? Just down. I'm using the same brush. I'm not changing the brush. Yellow shade उसी के ऊपर से थोड़ा सा I will थोड़ा नीचे से I will start going through. Now this golden color I will just put with my finger. It's a very simple and easy eye makeup strategy I am showing you. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लेंगे, बहुत ही कम लेंगे बिकॉज वी डोंट नीड टू लुक टू मच गॉडी. वी हैव टू जस्ट हाईलाइट द थिंग्स. सो वंस वी आर डन विद इट, हम लोग सबको एक साथ मिक्स कर देंगे सो दैट देयर इज नो क्रीजेस. राइट, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. अगेन विल टेक इट दिस शेड. We have taken it. It's a very simple eye makeup which you, if you are going for a party, this eye makeup you can do for your marriage parties also, because it looks very good, very nude, and ऐसा आपको डार्क लग रहे होंगे, but it's not light, it's not dark, it's a very lighting. So whenever you're going for a birthday party or anything, you can just see that my eyes, how they look. Okay, pretty better. Now what we have to do is that we will be using a kajal. So before that, I'll just fill up my eyebrows. So let me get the eyebrow pencil. Okay, so just a second, let me adjust. Yeah, so for the eyebrows, I'm going to give you a very affordable options for the eyebrow pencil. You have this Insight Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. It's a very nice eyebrow pencil, and you have this, it is over. Okay, इतना ही बचा है. ठीक है, I have the Wet n Wild one also, but if you want for something affordable and easy, ready to go something, so you can go for this Insight Cosmetics, and my shade is in brown. I use black color. It's not that I don't use black color eyebrow pencils. I do use it, but generally what I do is that your hair color, it's not matching with your क्या बोलते हैं, it's not totally black, right? So my hair color is not totally black. It is actually brownish tinge. Okay, so this goes more better. Black होने से वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगता है कि artificial है. So what I will be doing is that I will be just filling up the gaps, right? So हमेशा eyebrows, when you are filling, you should go from the downwards, right? I'll tell you why I did it from downwards. Okay, so now what I will be doing is that this pulley, I will pull it up and fill it up. Same I will be doing this side. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, कम हल्के हाथों से we have to move forward so that it's just the extras which you are going to fill, right? Okay, so my eyebrows now just look perfect. Now for kajal, I have 2-3 options for you guys. I am a kajal lover. This is the Lakme Absolutes, the one which is like this. You have a kajal and piche ek smudger you have. So this is a very nice one. Second, I have this Maybelline, this one colossal kajal जो dark वाला है, super black जिसको कहते हैं. So this is also very nice one, and this is the Lakme's Insta Cool. So whenever you are using this, now you will feel a minty feeling in your eyes that it's getting cooled down. Okay. So पहले के जो काजल होते ना, जो हम लोग बचपन में लगाते थे, थोड़ा सा मिंटी इफेक्ट देता था. So that it's like that. So okay, so I'll use this one, the minty one. What I'll do is, if I'm going for a lighter things, I'll just put it here. कैन जस्ट सी, बहुत सिंपल, कुछ नहीं किया मैंने। अब इसको थोड़ा सा इसी काजल से ऊपर का जो वाटर लाइन है उस पे आई एम extending, so this actually looks very nice. It makes your eyes super. You can just see that. Okay, it does. So I have used this kajal only as my liner, so it is perfectly okay. I will again do what is with the same. Okay, so what I do is that whenever I have to go somewhere locally, I just do my eyes this much. कोई पार्टी नहीं जा रहे, ऐसे ही घूमने निकल रहे हैं, so I just fill my upper and the lower line like this. और फिर इसको अगर हम लोग कोई पार्टी में जा रहे हैं तो आई यूज अ लाइनर इन दिस वे. Okay, so our eyes are fully done. See, I love highlighting my eyes because I feel that my eyes are the stronger, my strong points, right? So I just love them. So what I'll do is, next is the Sugar Cosmetics mini sized this mascara I'll be using. So it is like a travel friendly type of a mascara. It's nothing like that. As I am not going somewhere very so I'll not use the L'Oreal's Lash Paradise. So I generally use L'Oreal's Lash Paradise because it gives a effect of an artificial lashes. So I don't need to have that. But what difficulty it brings is that it is stuck to your eyelashes एंड उसको निकालना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है और उसके वजह से आपके आई लैश ब्रेक करते हैं. सो आई जनरली यूज इट व्हेन आई एम गोइंग समवेयर इन अ मैरिज पार्टी एंड आई हैव टू गिव अ आर्टिफिशियल लैश का एक इफेक्ट देना है. दैट टाइम आई यूज दैट लैश पैराडाइज और आई जनरली यूज दिस नॉर्मल मस्काराज. डोंट गो फॉर द वाटर प्रूफ मस्काराज फॉर जनरल, गो फॉर नॉर्मल मस्काराज. सो अगर आप पानी से उसको दो तो आपके आई से वो इजीली निकल आ जाए. सो आई एम डन विथ माई आई मेकअप इज ओवर. नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट पुट this step is totally a skip. You can just go for with an lipstick, you're good to go. Or if you want, like, no, you want to have an highlighter, so the next step is an additional step. If you have to use this क्या बोलते हैं, blush, right? So this is a tint, basically this is a tint from the Just Herbs. Okay, so I like that tint and it's a lip and cheek tint in the shade Peachy Coral, right? So if you feel like that you need to do something additional, you should have that effect, that blush effect you want. So what you can do is that just take this a little bit brush में, it gives a very subtle pink color, right? You just don't need to think for the shade. It's a very nice shade. It will give you a inner glow, right? I don't know, the camera must not be catching it. हमें भी ब्लश को पूरा नॉर्मल कर देना है. So see, if you have put extra blush, don't need to worry. I'll show you a trick how to you can reduce the blush. Like suppose if I have put an extra blush here, ठीक है? ठीक है? So what am I going to do is that I will take my loose powder a bit. I will dust it off and उसके ऊपर से थोड़ा सा loose powder को चला देंगे पूरा face को. So what happens is that it gives you a pink color, a hint of pink from within. So it does not look too like you have done too much of makeup. And it gives you that pinky effect from within. Now, as you have put a blush, you might feel like you must have some highlight. So, see, generally, normally when I am going somewhere like for birthday parties and all these things, I don't like to contour. Contour मैं बहुत कम करती हूँ. And कब करती हूँ? When I am going for a marriage party or something like that, where you need to show your face, a broader face. So that time I just do the contour. Otherwise I don't do it, right? So now highlighter has a different opinion. People, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो लोग अपने फेस में थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हाइलाइटर पसंद करते हैं, so that it gives you a glow like that. And कुछ लोग होते हैं जो लोग अपना सिर्फ जो हाई पॉइंट्स होते हैं उन्हीं पे करते हैं. So I am using this Revolution का highlighter. It is the name, the shade I must say that Revolution. Shade number is not given, I guess. So yeah, shade number is not given. So it looks like this. So what am I going to do is I will take ये highlighter. I don't like much. But as I have got it, so I have to use it. So you can just see that I am just my high ends को थोड़ा सा highlight कर रहे हैं. So these steps are additional steps if you are going for a party on based on that, right? If you need to show your highlighted stuffs, so then you should go for all these things, okay? Otherwise the makeup was complete. With the lipstick we should have gone, right? So I'll just highlight my nose a bit because I love highlighting my nose. It gives you a effect of a flawless skin. I'll just highlight a bit on this. अच्छा, कुछ लोग यहाँ पे हाइलाइटर्स लगाते हैं. I don't use that. So it's an additional step. If you want, you can just have that. Now what we can do is we are good to go. एक light nude lipstick लगा के we are good to go. So I have options for nude lipsticks a lot. ठीक है? So you can either go for this brownie shade of purple. This is the Lipsoft Blind Makeover. It's a deep brown if you want to go for a deep brown shade. Otherwise I'll just, this is a very nice color. This is the Nude Nuance. Nude Nuance is a very nice shade. So okay, I have more of a pink nude lipsticks also, but as I have given a peachy effect on my eyes, so I would love to have a brownish or a like that shade only over my lips. Okay, so you have one more shade in K Beauty also. So I'll just So how do you think? How was my makeup tutorial? I don't know, suddenly it has become very brightening. Let me see the... Okay, it's now right. So if you like my video, so please subscribe to my channel. Please try to follow it and send it within your family members also. If it is helpful, if you have any query, you can keep your message down, and hopefully you liked it. Thank you. So hey, we'll meet again.